How to switch to an Instagram business account. Hey guys, let's get started. So first go ahead and open up Instagram application. Once it opens up, click on profile at the bottom right corner. And now from your profile, tap on three horizontal lines at the upper right corner and select settings and privacy. And once you land on the settings page, scroll down and click on account types and tools under for professional section. Here click on switch to professional account. Click on give and continue buttons. And now from here, select the category that describes your account the best. Here I'm going to select one for now and next. On next page, click on business. Now here, add your business information like your business email, business phone number, business address. Once you're done, tap on next. If you want to connect to Facebook, then click on connect to Facebook. If not, tap on skip and that's it. You'll be done. And now you can go ahead and set up the rest of your profile. With this, your account will be switched to Instagram business account. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.